Hey, second graders, we're still working on subtraction, and we're going to practice doing some other subtraction problems. So this time I'm going to take 40 minus 30. To solve this problem, I'm going to make my place value chart. I'm going to write my tens right here, and then I'm going to make my ones place value over here. Remember, it's okay if it looks a little messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one number, and that's the biggest number in my problem. I know that 40 is the biggest number in my subtraction problem because it comes first. So I'm going to come over here to my place value coins, and I'm going to take 4 tens because I know 4 tens is the same thing as 40. We can even count together just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, are there any place value coins in the ones place? Nope, nothing over there. Nothing in the ones place. Now, I'm going to take away minus 30. So I'm going to only focus in the tens place for this problem because I'm only subtracting groups of tens right now. So I'm going to take my marker and I am going to take away 30. Count with me. 10, 20, 30. How many do I have left in the tens place? I guess I should ask, how many do we have left in the ones place first? 0 in the ones place, there's nothing there. We always start in the ones place. So I just made a big mistake by saying to go to the tens place first. So always start in the ones place. There are 0 in the ones. And in the tens, I can see that I just have 1 10 left. So I'm just going to write the number 1 to represent one group of 10, which means when I put my numbers together, my answer will be I have 10 left over. 40 minus 30 is 10. All right, let's try one more together before we keep going on. Okay, so this time we're going to go ahead and we are going to do another problem. Here we go. We're going to do 60 minus 20. All right, I'm going to make my tens place and my ones place. And I know I'm going to only have to create the biggest number in my subtraction problem. And I already know that the biggest number is always the number that is first, okay? 60. So I know that there are 6 groups of 10 in 60. So I'm going to drag 6 over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Are there any place value coins in the ones place? Nope, nothing in the ones place this time. There's just a 0 right there. Now I can take away. First, we start in the ones place. There's nothing to take away because we're taking away 20. And there's a 0 in the ones place. So there's 0 left in the ones place. And then I'm taking away 2 tens in the tens place. 10, 20. How many do I have left in the tens place now? 10, 20, 30, 40. Just going to write the number 4 though, because that means there are 4 groups of 10. When I put my numbers together, it gives me 40. So I know 60 minus 20 is 40. All right, go ahead and try some with your teacher.